Hello guys, now in this video I'm going to show you what it means by living soon on Netflix. So if you go ahead and open your Netflix, sometimes you might see we have this tag living soon just beneath a video or a TV show on Netflix. But you may be asking, what does this exactly mean? So if you've been asking such a question, I will be telling you all about it. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, now when you see any label living soon on Netflix, that means that the specific title or movie and TV show is scheduled to be removed from this platform's library within the next 30 days. So if you see this, then it means that this movie or TV show will be removed from Netflix library within the next 30 days or less. And that is just a warning to you that if you want to watch it, then go ahead and watch it before this time expires. However, you might be asking, why will Netflix remove these movies and TV shows or even animations from their library? It is because of licensing agreement between the owners or the producers of the movie and Netflix. So when the license expires, then it means that Netflix has either to renew the license, or if it won't, then the TV show or movie has to be pulled down from the library because the license has expired. So if you have been seeing this, then that is what it means. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.